Now you can try to convert 0.125 to percentage. Feel free to pause the video, try this yourself, and then compare your result with the answer gotten at the end of this video. Solution. The first thing you do is you write 0.125 over 1, and then you multiply by the powers of 10. In this case, it will be 1000 since we have 3 decimal places over 1000. This will bring us to 125 over 1000, which you will then multiply by 100%. Now 100 here 1, 100 here 10. We have 125 over 10%. And of course, this means we just move the decimal place 1 point to the left. That is, we have 12.5%. I believe that you have also arrived at this same answer. Well done.